Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and of course give this video a thumbs up, and of course please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Like, it will come into your phone as a message, just the same way you can receive on WhatsApp messages. Yes, it will come into your phone that way. So guys, I didn't come to teach. This is after the videos I have done, but something just saddens my heart and I came to tell you guys about it. Guys, since I've been doing this video, since I've been shooting video on this channel, guys, the subscription is coming up, but it's going very slow. As much as I work hard to bring out these videos, but the subscriptions are going very slow. And what really saddens me, that made me to say, okay, fine, I'm going to talk to you guys about it, is because when the YouTube sends me analytics, I see actually that people that are watching my videos are way more than the people that are subscribed to my channel. Like, YouTube tells you, actually YouTube breaks down this thing actually for you. Like, people are watching your channel, are they your subscribers, are they your new subscribers? So I actually see that people that are watching my channel are mostly people that just came in to watch my videos, but at the same time, when they finish watching the video, they don't subscribe. Yes, because like I said, YouTube shows all these things. Okay, these people watched your channel and they are not subscribed to your channel. These people watched your channel and they are subscribed to your channel. So I see the amount of the graph is this way, the margin is this way. People that are watching my videos and they're not subscribed is like this. You see, the margin is so big. Guys, I don't know if you don't know that subscription is free. Yes, subscription costs you nothing. It's free to click on the subscription button and subscribe. Trust me, it doesn't cost you one kobo. And also, to like this video does not cost anything. To share it does not cost anything as well. If you don't even want to share my video, fine, but to subscribe does not take one kobo from you. You clicked on the video, you watched it, you enjoyed it, subscribe. You clicked on the video, you saw my introduction, okay, I'm teaching Igbo, blah 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 blah, subscribe. Because on this channel, I said I teach Igbo. I also bring in things in between, because if you clicked on it and you're not subscribed, you're like, this channel they teach Igbo and I'm Hausa, I'm Yoruba, I don't need it. But I also bring in other things into the channel. Please just try to subscribe, because I don't know, I just wanted to say my bits. It's really very sad to put up hard work in between your tight schedule with kids and everything, and after doing your videos, people watch your video, but people that watches your video, they don't subscribe to your channel, and YouTube sends you breakdown, and you just see that the breakdown is showing that people that watched your video are high, but they are not subscribed to your channel. It's very saddening. And I said, okay, fine, I'm just gonna do this video. So I don't know who is gonna watch it. Please watch my video, subscribe. Watch my video, subscribe, click on the video, subscribe. Subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. Since I started this channel, since when did I start putting up videos on this channel? I think I started putting up videos on this channel maybe like 7 months ago or something, or 6 months ago. But the subscriber count is growing very slow, and I know it would have grown very much more than this, but just that people that are watching it are not subscribing. Yes, somebody told me, yes, I watched but I forgot to subscribe. I'm going to subscribe now. This is why on the start of my videos I usually say, please subscribe to my channel. Please, as you have clicked in, just so that you don't forget, just subscribe. Subscription, of course, makes me feel that, okay, yeah, I have people that are supporting me. Yes, it's true, I was like 345 subscribers as I'm doing this video, but we would have done more, we would have done better than that. That is why I said, fine, let me just speak my mind, because sometimes when you don't speak your mind, people don't understand how you feel or something. So I felt, okay, fine, let me just speak my mind and tell them how I feel. Maybe when they watch this video, they will know how I feel and they will subscribe, because I have some of them too that are returning subscribers, not so they are returning viewers, but they're not subscribed. I also see the analytics. Yes, I post the video, they come back and watch, but they're not subscribed. I post the video, they come back and watch, but they're not subscribed. So guys, please support me, motivate me, encourage me, give me the strength to do, to continue doing this that I love, just only by you subscribing to my channel, liking the video, learning what I am here to teach, and giving me your suggestion will go a long way for me. Thank you. This is just the only thing I've come to say. I just finished shooting 2 videos and I said, let me drop this here so that I don't forget, and so I'll tell you guys how I feel. I would have added in other videos, but I'm like, if I added these things I'm saying to the video, it's going to be too long, so I decided to do a separate video for it. I don't know if you guys want me to quit YouTube, but I can't quit YouTube because what I'm teaching is what I love to do, so I can't even quit it. I love what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing is. So just subscribe to the channel because you guys want me to quit. I'm not gonna quit. Yeah, because few people have said, okay, I want to open a YouTube channel. I like what you're doing. I'm like, first you want to open a YouTube channel, yeah. But first, do you enjoy teaching people? Do you enjoy putting out videos? You have to enjoy putting out videos before you start a YouTube channel because it's just all a strong hard work. People think it's at the comfort of your zone, you're filming it. No, it comes in with a lot of things. You have to plan your book, you have to do your notes, you have to think of what to teach them, you have to plan your video, you have to shoot the video, you have to edit, you have to post it, you have to do your thumbnail, there are so many things involved in it. Yes. So, but first you must like what you are doing before other thing comes in between. Guys, let me just stop here. It looks like I'm ranting. Just the call of this video is the summary of this video is, please subscribe to my channel. Don't watch video and go. Don't come back, watch again and go. Come back, watch again and go. Yes, come back, subscribe, watch. I have people that subscribe. Thank you, my OGs that are subscribed, that are watching my video. Anything I put out, they watch. I know them. Anything I put out, they watch. I know them. They also see people that come, they watch, they go, they're not subscribed. I post tomorrow again, they watch, they go, they're not subscribed. Please subscribe. Thank you. I do have a wonderful day. Bye.